Do you want to make a design that looks great on t-shirts, posters, but also on stickers or phone cases? Redbubble provides us with the different dimensions for their products, and for beginners it can be difficult to know exactly what dimension sizes you should use for your Redbubble products. Do you need to make designs in different dimensions, or is there one single size and dimension that you can use on every single product? This is a question people are asking a lot, and in this quick video I will try to give you an answer. Sizing and dimension is really important because you want to put your design on every available product Redbubble is offering and when it makes sense. This is because you never know what a buyer wants. People are wired and they are able to spend their money on different things. Thankfully, on Redbubble, there is no need to resize your design for each product. But still, the file dimension depends on what your design is going to be used for. Different products have different dimensions here at Redbubble, but if you want to be sure your design fits everything, then you need to make a design for the biggest product on the market. And the biggest product on Redbubble at this time are duvet covers. As you can see, the king size duvet cover, which is the biggest product, measures 264 by 224 centimeters. And if you would like to use a single image file for this product, then Redbubble is recommending starting with 7632 by 6480 pixels. This size will not only fit the king size duvet cover, but when you downsize it, it will allow you to put your design on any other product available on Redbubble. However, the size dimension Redbubble is recommending is not what I'm using. It is based on my experience and it is based on my personal beliefs. And that is why I'm using 3 different dimensions to make sure my designs look great on every single product on Redbubble. Let's start with patterns. When I'm designing patterns, I'm usually going for 5000 by 5000 pixels. This is because I know that patterns will not look good on classic t-shirts, greeting cards or posters. There is no need to put patterns on every product. With this size, I can still use the Redbubble pattern feature and optimize the pattern for all products I want. These were patterns, but what about standard illustrations or text designs? In this case, I'm using 2 different dimensions. The first dimension that will look good on posters, t-shirts, phone cases or greeting cards, and second that will look good on stickers, scarves, blankets or acrylic blocks. According to me, on t-shirts, posters or phone cases, the design will look best when you use the 6000 by 8000 pixels dimension size. This is because with such size, your design can easily fill a larger area without looking wired. You can also use a 4500 by 5400 pixels, which is a recommended size for Merch by Amazon, and it also works well. But I'm still using 6000 by 8000 pixels, a size that I learned at the beginning of my print-on-demand journey, and I have absolutely no problem with it. However, design with this size dimension will not look good on best-selling items on Redbubble, on stickers. So for products that require designs in square shape, I like to use 8000 by 8000 pixels and 300 dpi resolution. While it is a huge size, it can be easily downsized to fit a small products like stickers, acrylic blocks or hats. And to make things easier, I'm uploading my design in 6000 by 8000 pixels and enable it on all products. And then I use the 8000 by 8000 pixels for products where my design is looking a little bit odd. I hope this video has answered this frequently asked question about Redbubble optimal dimension size. If this video was helpful, like, comment or subscribe. All your effort will be appreciated.